Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add an EMA or an exponential moving average in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to indicators. Click on it, and here type EMA. Now go to technicals and choose this one, moving average exponential. Okay, click on it just one time. Now, this one is the EMA. Go to EMA here and click on the gear icon. If you can't see it here, just click on this arrow. So click on the gear icon and you can change the length from here. So let's say, for example, you want to make this one 50 EMA. All you have to do is type here 50. You can change the color from here if you want. Go to style EMA and choose any color, as you can see. And you can change also the thickness from here, as you can see. Now this is our 50 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.